to talk about my good friend, Plex Media Server. Now, Plex Media Server was initially created so that you can throw all your media in one location and it would sort it into different categories, apply media art, pull data from online to make it fashionable and convenient. Since then, Plex has expanded to include more premier featurings. And one of those featurings, which is my favorite, is the watch together function. The watch together function allows you to synchronously The watch together function allows Plex Media users to simultaneously watch or listen to media on the same Plex Media server. So whether you need to pause it to go take a bathroom break or you need to fast forward because, this part might not be appropriate for everybody, those options are available for you. So let me just show you how it works. We're trying this together live. Okay, so we're gonna go over to this Mega Man episode here. Gonna go to more, gonna go to watch together. Gonna select the same user, Ari, my son. Same icon there. Gonna click invite. Okay, it says Ari was invited. It says playback will start automatically when everybody is ready. No, I haven't received any notification over here. Oh, okay, so I pressed the home button and then it actually showed me here this watch together section. So a notification didn't pop up or anything. Okay, so let's click this and see what happens. Okay, so once I clicked on it, it actually recognized both were being requested there. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and skip the intro. Okay, so it skipped on both. Of course, the syncing's a little off after doing so. But let's go ahead and try to pause. Okay, so pause. Of course, it paused. It paused at different frames. Let's see if it syncs together. Once it is, play it again. Yeah, it's still off. Let's press the stop button, test the stop function. It only stops it for one person. Okay. So what happens if the second person, the person that didn't start the stream, tries to rejoin? Hahaha, that's pretty cool. They joined their stream. They joined the group, where the rest of the group is actually watching the movie from. My favorite feature so far has to be the watch together function.